Igbo prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases in Igbo. I know you know what prepositions are. And today I'm going to tell you the Igbo version of the preposition. Prepositional phrases in Igbo language. You are welcome. Learn Igbo language with Adibo. Remember, Igbo language is our culture, Igbo language is our heritage. Asụsụ anyị bụ njirimara anyị, asụsụ anyị bụ omenala anyị. Ọ bụrụ na ị mụtabeghị ịsụ asụsụ anyị ma ọ bụ na ọ ka na-afịa gị arụ, biko na-esonyere m n'ihe onyonyo a ka ịmụta Igbo ọfụma. Maka na ọ bụ ihe mere ede, ede ji bee nwee. Ihe mere ede, ede ji bee nwee. In English, you say condition makes crayfish to bend. Okay? Ihe mere ede, ede ji bee nwee. In English, condition makes the crayfish to bend. All right, let's go straight to today's business. Igbo prepositional phrases. I'm going to let you know them one by one. The first one is under. Under. N'okpuru. Under. Na okpuru. That's under. Like, the book is under the table. Akwụkwọ a dị n'okpuru oche. The book is under the table. Akwụkwọ dị n'okpuru oche. Okay? I hope you're getting it. Or you can say the box is under the bed. The box is under the bed. Akpati dị n'okpuru akwa. Akpati dị n'okpuru akwa. Eji m n'aka na ị na-aghọta ihe m na-ekwu. Please use the comment section and ask me any question and I will answer you correctly. Remember, learn Igbo language with Adibo in the easiest form of it. Call me, contact me, share this message, like and comment. Okay, let's learn Igbo language together. All right, the next preposition I'm going to tell you here is on. N'elu, on, n'elu. Okay, your food is on the table. Your food is on the table. Nri gị dị n'elu table. Yes, table in Igbo is table. So, nri gị dị n'elu table. Okay? Alright, the table there is Igbonized. Right? Or you can say, she is sitting on a chair. She is sitting on a chair. Ọ nọ n'elu oche. Ọ nọ n'elu oche. Ma nwaada ahụ nọ n'elu oche. She is a female. She is a female, okay? Nwaada is a female. All right. The next is in. In, n'ime. In, n'ime. Then you can say, your book is inside the bag. The book or your book is in the bag, sorry. Your book is in the bag. Your book is in the bag. Akwụkwọ gị dị n'ime akpa. Akwụkwọ gị dị n'ime akpa. Okay? All right. The next is above. Above, n'elu. Above, n'elu. This is another preposition. Above, n'elu. Enu is something that is on top. Okay? All right. So in the sentence, you can say, she is above you. She is above you. Okay? Maybe in class or in career, you can say she's above you. Ọ dị n'elu. Okay? That's for that. Then you can say behind. That's another preposition. Behind. Azu. Behind. Azu. Behind. Azu. Okay? That's another preposition. The chair is behind the house. The chair is behind the house. Oche ahụ nọ n'azụ ụlọ. Oche ahụ nọ n'azụ ụlọ, or oche ahụ dị n'azụ ụlọ. Behind the house. Okay? All right. The next is in front. In front, n'ihu. In front, n'ihu. Okay? She is right behind. She is right in front of the house. She is right in front of the house. Ada is right in front of the house. Ada nọ n'ihu ụlọ. Ada nọ n'ihu ụlọ. Okay? That is that for that. So, prepositions in Igbo, they are phrases that you can use in a sentence. And remember, Igbo language is our culture, Igbo language is our heritage. Do not hesitate to ask any question and I will answer you correctly. Okay? Thank you for learning today's preposition in Igbo language. Thank you for joining. Please kindly subscribe, kindly follow this page, okay, for updates, for more, so that you can learn Igbo language. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.